The first new feature that y'all hear is Google Meet won't say recording in progress, but Zoom will say recording in progress. So y'all must ready already lah. The Zoom itself tell you already. Okay. So let us start. Wait, this one wrong slide. Okay, guys, can you all see my slide? Can you all comment if you all can see? Is it big and clear, the slide? Everyone here? Clear, huh? Okay, good. I feel this one is bigger also. Okay. So we start first. Let me see. Okay, this one we talk later. Yeah, it's gigantic. Very new. Okay. We start with the briefing first lah, guys. Okay, so this topic is basically probability sorry, it's too light. Probability distribution, taburan kebarangkalian. Wow, you see the ink, guys. Is it clear? You can see, right? It's so clear on my screen compared to last time. Wow, it's a correct choice lah, this one. That's why, very, very clear. Okay, so basically this chapter divided into two. Wait, let me adjust the screen first. I put it in the top hand corner. Okay. So this is binomial. First thing you all will learn is binomial. Second thing you all will learn is normal. Okay, dua perkara kamu akan belajar dalam bab taburan kebarangkalian. Satu binomial, second one normal. Okay guys, so as always, whenever got two things, you all must know the difference. Am I right? Kamu kena tahu perbezaan antara kedua-dua ini. You must know the difference between binomial and normal. Okay, just like how you guys know the difference between permutation combination, pilih atur gabungan, and also arithmetic progression and geometry progression. How to identify? Macam mana nak kenal pasti which one come under binomial, which one come under normal. Okay, but I think in this case it's quite clear. Usually the question will mention to you certain keyword. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me what is the keyword for something to be called binomial distribution? Apa kata kunci when you want to assume it is binomial? Anyone? Just one word. Not really combination. Any others want to tell points? What is the keyword for something to classify under binomial? Yes, good, but not necessarily they will tell you that in a question, but this is one of the differences. Okay, binomial is a discrete random variable, whereas normal is a continuous random variable. Okay, continuous in BM is selanja, if not mistaken. Okay, discrete, I think is discrete also lah in BM. Okay, so this is the major difference, discrete, continuous. Okay, so this is the first difference. So how about the second difference? Can anyone tell me another keyword? Satu lagi kata kunci to differentiate binomial and normal. Anything else that you all can think? Try to give your ideas. Yes, fail and success, correct, yes. Binomial got fail and success. But normal tak ada fail and success. There is no such thing as kejayaan and kegagalan. Yes, very good, correct. This is another difference. Okay, binomial got no z-score, normal got z-score. Okay, you'll later know how to count lah all this. I'll teach you all. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, this one, a third difference, no z-score. And then this one got z-score. Normal got standard deviation and mean given. Standard deviation and mean given. Okay, can I accept? Okay, normal ada mean, ada standard deviation, whereas this one got no mean and no standard deviation. This one, Steven maksudkan yang kat awal soalan tu bagi. Okay, the question for normal will give you directly what's the mean and standard deviation, whereas for binomial, you need to count it. Kamu kena kira by using a certain formula lah, of course. Okay, so any other difference you guys can think some more? Lagi, perbezaan antara binomial and normal. Anyone else? Mean is 0 for normal. Yes, very good. You remember the curve. Mean is, sorry, some BM. Mean is 0. Whereas for binomial, mean is not 0. Okay, some more guys. There is some more difference. Can you all think some more? Lagi perbezaan. Think in terms of how to write it out. Macam mana kamu nak tulis the symbol for binomial and normal? Wait, let me see. Formula, okay, correct. But normal tak ada formula yang specific. Normal distribution has no specific formula. So I won't say that is a difference lah. Okay, itu bukan perbezaan. Do you remember guys? When I want to write out binomial distribution, what are the two parameters I must have? Apa dua parameter dalam kurungan yang tu? I want the symbol, don't want the number. Saya tak mau nombor. I just want the symbol, what I write inside the bracket. Binomial, yes, N and P. Okay, binomial ingat don't confuse, is N and P. Okay, N mewakili jumlah yang kamu ada, the total you have. P is what guys? Probability of success. Kebarangkalian berjaya. Okay, how about normal guys? Can you all type out the parameter for me? What will I have inside the bracket? The symbol? Yes, mean and actually it's variance. Is variance, not standard deviation. Okay, originally the parameter is variance. Yeah, standard deviation you must count later. Kamu kena kira. Okay, guys. So, are you all clear until now? The difference and similarity, perbezaan, persamaan. These are 6 lah. Definitely got more, but this is mostly that what I can think of lah. Okay, guys. So until here, any question you all have before I proceed some more? So no problem, Okay, so now guys. Okay, why? I'll send this in the group later, guys. So no need. I'll send this in the group. No worries. It will come together with all the exercise. Yeah. So no need to copy, guys. You will have you can direct see it from the group. Okay. So anyone can tell me now similarities, persamaan antara binomial and normal. This one a bit hard, but can you all think and see what is the similarities? Okay. Yes. Very good. Both are probability. Yes. Not wrong. Okay, kedua-dua menggambarkan kebarangkalian sesuatu peristiwa. Both will show a probability of an event. Any other points? Any other keywords? Okay, very good. Both got mean and standard deviation. Correct? Some more? I never see the point yet that I want to hear. There is one point I want to hear from you all. Anyone? Itu untuk normal. Okay, that one is for normal. Anything else you all can think? What is standard deviation? Andy, what do you mean? What is standard deviation? Okay, yeah, correct. All probabilities. BM you mean CCN PRY. Okay, standard deviation is BM is CCN PRY. Okay, I got scared. You don't know what is CCN PRY suddenly. Okay, so total probability jumlah kebarangkalian is 1. Okay, 1. Remember that. Okay, binomial normal also apply. One more thing I want to highlight to you guys. What was it? Yeah, both are random variables. Do you all know this? Kedua-dua adalah pemboleh ubah yang lawak. Okay, random variables. Okay, both are random variable. Okay, discrete, continuous. All right, and also got one more. Similarity between binomial and normal. Let me think, guys. I almost forgot the point. Hey, forgot already. Okay, maybe I tell this one lah. No. I now get the point. Both are. This is one of the similarity also. Do you all know this? Kedua-dua adalah menggunakan satu sample yang lawak. Both are taking random samples. Do you all know this? The characteristic of binomial and normal is they must be selected randomly. Okay, dipilih secara lawak. Okay, you cannot set a condition and choose. Okay, there is No condition. Tak ada apa-apa syarat. It's just randomly choose only. Do you guys understand this point over here? What I'm meaning? Everyone? It's a random sample. Okay? Secara lawak. Alright, these are a few points lah that you all must know for binomial and normal. Okay, so now we go one by one lah. Okay, so first we start with binomial. Okay, kita mula binomial because the syllabus also start with binomial. Let me see anything that I should mention first. Let me see. Okay, guys, first thing, before I want to go into binomial, guys, do you all know what is the difference between discrete and continuous? Everyone here. Can anyone explain the difference? Selanjar dengan discrete, apa perbezaan dia? Anyone? Okay, correct. Discrete can be counted one by one. Boleh dikira satu per satu, correct. How about continuous? Yes, very good. Okay, continuous is in a range or maybe interval. Dia adalah satu julat yang tertentu. Counted in a range. Okay, this is the major difference that you all must know. Okay, perbezaan paling ketara, discrete and continuous random variables. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys, you all still remember your probability that you all learn in your maths form 4, mathematics tingkatan 4 kamu belajar kan keberangkalian. Am I right? Everyone here? Yes or no? Okay, remember, So now I want to ask you all a question. That probability you all learn in maths, adakah dia terkandung di bawah binomial atau normal? Does the probability you learn in the mathematics come under binomial or normal distribution? Not both. Yes, the answer is binomial. Okay, kedua-dua. Oh, wait now, guys. Wait. Yeah, it's actually binomial. Wait, Okay, never mind lah, continue. Yeah, binomial. Because just now the Zoom appear. Your meeting will end in 10 minutes. Correct, Oh my God, I didn't notice this. But then can record again, right, guys? Am I right? I can stop record, then can record the second time, right? Means it'll come multiple recording. Then okay lah, never mind. I upload 5 video on the YouTube lah, like that. Sorry, So those never come rugi lah, they have to watch all 5. Okay? Yeah, using Zoom because my later for the future one I'll upgrade. No worries. Cause this is my first time using, so that's why all these things happen. Okay, after this will be smooth already. Okay. Okay. Now I know. Okay, never mind. We wait until it stop lah. Never mind. Focus back here. So everyone, the probability you all learn in Form 4, tingkatan 4 punya keberangkalian comes under normal distribution. Okay, tabuhan normal. Remember that. Alright, binomial. It comes under tabuhan binomial, not normal. Okay, binomial distribution, remember. Okay, so why it comes under that, guys? Anyone know? Mengapa matematik punya keberangkalian datang bawah binomial? Your form 4 maths, yes, it's discrete, correct. It's under normal. Okay, I put a note here lah. Probability is binomial distribution. That's why guys, kalau kamu cubalah soalan under your math syllabus, if you try your question under the math syllabus, you will find out that you can actually solve it using binomial distribution. Kamu boleh selesaikan soal matematik form 4 bab 9 keberangkalian tu guna formula binomial and you will get the same answer. Okay, only thing, the maths, yeah, of course, probability is a part of statistics. Probability keberangkalian datang di bawah bidang statistik dalam matematik. Okay, it's under statistic field, probability. Yeah, the chapter name itself is probability distribution. It shows the distribution of data, menggambarkan serakan data. Okay, this probability, right? In your maths, right, is you using the manual method. Okay, kamu guna kaedah manual. What I mean by manual method, guys, remember your probability in maths, you will do something like this. Am I right? Everyone here? Kamu akan buat berulang kali macam ni. Maybe something like this lah. So what the mathematician think of is they combine all of this under one distribution called binomial, so that lebih senang untuk nak kira. Okay, it's easier to count compared to the manual method. But can I use binomial distribution in mathematics, guys? Everyone here? Boleh tak saya guna kaedah tabuhan binomial to solve mathematics question? Yes or no? Everyone here? Can or not? Normal maths, you know, guys, I telling, can I use add maths formula in my modern maths? Boleh ke tak? Okay, no. Remember, guys, don't be so smart. Jangan terlalu pandai. You cannot use the formula. Okay? You definitely get wrong. Walaupun jawapan betul, your final answer is right, you're still wrong. Okay, maths must use manual method. Add maths must use formula. All right? So remember that. So this is the introduction about binomial lah, basically. Okay? So now, why can I insert page suddenly? Never mind, I continue first lah. Okay, so now binomial. So anyone? Do you all know the formula for binomial? I think by now you all should have hafal lah. Probability X equals to R equal to NCR P power R Q power N minus R. Ini adalah formula untuk tabuhan binomial. Okay, hope you guys still remember lah this one. Okay, so guys, you must know what all of this represent lah. X, apa yang diwakili oleh X? Can anyone tell me what is represented by X? Everyone here? X tu mewakili? Mana ada min? Salah. Not jumlah. Jumlah is N. Yes. Not number. Number come under N. Yes, very good. X is the random variable. Okay, pemboleh ubah awak. Remember, X will represent an event that you are doing. Sesuatu peristiwa dalam soalan kamu. This is the X. Okay. How about the R? Can anyone describe to me what does R mean? Binomial, what you must know is how to put the value inside the formula. Sebab semua nilai akan diberi, kamu kena tahu cara nak masukkan ke formula saja. That is what is going to gain you the marks. Okay. R is not possibility. R is not possibility. Some more. How about the rest? Anyone? No, not the number. Bukan nombor. Some more. Yeah, but what does it represent? It's actually your selected option. Okay, apa yang kamu pilih? Do you all know this? In NCR, guys, try to recall NCR is how many you pick out of the total. N is representing your total available, total option. Okay, jumlah yang kamu ada. Alright. So how about P, guys? Anyone can tell apa maksud P? What of success? You must have the probability, not just success. Probability of success. Okay, kebarangkalian berjaya. How about Q? Yeah, Q is the not unsuccess, failure. Okay, there's no such thing as unsuccess, guys. It's failure. Okay, English, careful, probability of failure. Okay, so now, guys, I want to explain to you all by using a situation this binomial. Okay, that's a good question. Yeah, you must know. Sometimes, right, guys, in your fakta, right, paper 1, they will test you on some of the conditions for it to be called a binomial. Okay, guys, so wait, let me think. Okay, we explain on Haida's question first lah. Okay, guys, binomial. You see the word itself, you can think of one condition already. Now we analyze the word, guys. Kita analisis perkataan ni. What does bi mean, guys? Bi means what? Okay, basically two lah. Bi itu maksudnya dua. What is nomial, guys? What's the meaning of nomial? If you know English, nomial is actually not outcome, actually. Anyone else? Think of polynomial, everyone. What does polynomial mean? You have seen this word, right? polynomial equation. What does polynomial mean? The nomial at the back. No, not the polynomial. I want the meaning of nomial. Yeah, example of polynomial is quadratic, correct? Basically, nomial means terms, ungkapan. There are two terms in binomial. The two terms are basically success and failure. Okay, term and condition. Am I right, guys? You have heard of term and condition apply. Okay, this is the same thing. Two terms. So it's either success or failure. Okay, ada kejayaan dan kegagalan. So this is how we get the thing. Okay, so the first condition basically, if they ask lah, who knows they ask in your SPM. First condition, there are two outcomes. You must write like this lah. Two outcomes, success and failure. Okay, dua outcome is what to say in BM. Dua kejadian lah. Okay, kejayaan ataupun kegagalan. Okay, two outcomes, success and failure. Okay, how about the next one, guys? Can anyone tell? Kebarangkalian is probability. So any more? Can you all tell me the condition for binomial? Other condition? Yes, independent of each other. Okay, what is independent of each other? The probability of each event. Kebarangkalian setiap peristiwa tak bergantung antara satu sama lain. Independent of each other. Means what does it mean, guys? Will the probability change? Adakah kebarangkalian akan berubah in binomial? Yes, no, it's a fixed probability. This is what it means by sentence number 2. Okay, dia ada satu kebarangkalian yang tetap, a fixed probability. That's why you can see your formula also, the value don't change much. You must just substitute one value only. Gantikan satu nilai saja because it is independent. Okay. So guys, we come back to the characteristic, okay, for the normal and the binomial. For the binomial, ciri-ciri binomial. Okay, so you can see over here, fixed probability, remember. Okay, kebarangkalian yang tetap. So anything else, guys? Can you tell me more condition? Another condition for binomial, can anyone tell? Satu lagi syarat. Anyone? Some more condition? Hello, guys. Condition, please. Yeah, already included in point number 2. Dah termasuk. So anything else you guys can think of? Some more conditions? Okay, guys, remember this. This is also one of the condition. The total probability must be 1. Okay, jumlah kebarangkalian dia satu. Okay, total probability must be 1. Alright, so you must remember this lah. Total probability must be 1. Okay, and then let me see. Okay, so you can also say that 0 represent failure based on the textbook lah, guys. Berdasarkan buku teks, if you have a probability of 0, kalau kamu ada kebarangkalian kosong, which mean it is failure. 0 represent failure. So 1 represent what, guys? Kalau kebarangkalian 1, dia mewakili. 1 will represent. What does it represent, guys? 1 represent. Yes, the success probability. Kebarangkalian berjaya. Okay, success. Alright, so these are the 4 things you all must remember. If the question suddenly come out in SPM, state the condition for binomial distribution. Nyatakan keadaan bagi taburan binomial. Okay, so please remember this one. Okay. Okay. So guys, okay, now just now Haida asked about this, right? Okay, so now we go to the proper part about the binomial itself. Wait, okay, so I want to give you an example of situation to show binomial to everyone so that you all easy to understand. Okay, so guys, what do I draw, guys? Apa yang saya lukis? Can anyone tell me? This is a daily life situation that I can explain to you all on binomial. What do I draw, guys? Everyone here, you study maths, don't tell me you cannot answer this question. Huh? What is the people? What about the people? Apa tentang orang tu? Is it a boy or girl? Yes, of course, it's a girl. Okay, dia adalah perempuan. Okay, so I want to show you a condition. Okay, to explain binomial. So guys, the situation here is X is the probability to get a girl. Dia adalah kebarangkalian untuk dapat seseorang perempuan. This situation can be represented by binomial distribution. Situasi ini boleh digambarkan dengan taburan binomial. Why? Because you can choose randomly. Am I right? Kamu boleh pilih secara lawak mana perempuan yang kamu suka. Am I right? You can choose what kind of girl you like. Second, kebarangkalian yang kamu berjaya pilih orang tu adalah sama. There is the same chance of getting every girl in this world. Do you all agree? Everyone here? All the girl in this world, if you want to choose, the probability should be the same. Am I right? Kebarangkalian sepatutnya sama. Okay, you have equal chance to get any girl you like. Okay, but of course, your competition lah among people, but each of the people should have the same kebarangkalian. Okay, so now I want to explain how the formula come like that. Okay, this is the formula, right? So how this formula actually come about? So guys, can you all tell me mengapa mereka guna gabungan bukan pilih atau? Can anyone tell? First question, why is the formula NCR and not NPR? There must be a reason, right? So can anyone tell? Yes, it is choose. Okay, susunan tak penting. In other words, the arrangement is not important. That's why we use NCR. Okay, you can say it is choose or atau arrangement not important. Susunan is not important in binomial. Okay, that's why it's NCR. Okay, gabungan, combination. We don't use permutation. Okay, this one wrong. Okay, so now the second part of the formula. So one more thing, guys. When we're doing binomial, the probabilities, do we add up or do we times kebarangkalian dalam binomial? In one condition lah. No, I'm not meaning separately. Yeah, correct lah, times, yeah. Okay, kita darab. You can see the formula here. Everything is times. Okay, tapi case-case yang berlainan, we must, if there is different cases, what do we do in probability? What symbol? Kalau case yang berlainan, plus, right? Okay, you must put a plus sign if different situation. Okay, but in the same situation, dalam situasi sama, kita akan darab times. Okay, remember that. All right. So then, P power R, guys. Why is there a P power R? Mengapa dalam rumus ada P kuasa R? Refer back to the example I show you over here on the probability of getting a girl. Guys, let's say lah, your probability of getting a girl is 0.2. Kebarangkalian kamu berjaya dapat seorang perempuan dari 5 ni adalah 0.2. So guys, let's say I want to get 3 girls. Saya nak dapat 3 perempuan dari 5 ni. So when I get 3 girls, does the probability maintain 0.2, guys? Adakah kebarangkalian dia masih 0.3 for each and every girl? Everyone here, can you imagine? Is the probability going to be the same? Yes, of course it will be the same. Why should one girl be more superior than another girl? Okay, wrong lah. Every girl has an equal chance. Okay, setiap perempuan ada, setiap lelaki ada peluang yang sama untuk dapat seseorang perempuan. They have the constant probability. Okay, kebarangkalian yang tetap. That's why you have P power R. Okay, P kuasa R, which means 0.2 chance of getting a girl and I want 3 girls. That's why 0.2 kuasa 3. Okay, that's why that's the second part of the formula. So how about the third part, guys? Can anyone tell how the third part comes from? Wait, it's lag a bit. Wait for a while. Okay, the third part. Wait, okay, this part, guys. Can anyone tell me why is it like this? I use different color, maybe green. Okay, why is it Q power N minus R, guys? Mengapa dia adalah Q kuasa N minus R? Can anyone tell? Because you have a total of 5 girls. Am I right? Kamu ada 5 perempuan secara jumlah. Okay, and the probability of failure, guys, you already get 3 girls. So how many girls you fail to get, guys? Everyone here. Berapa perempuan kamu tak berjaya dapat? Total ada 5, saya berjaya dapat 3. Steven, you refer to the situation here. Okay, yes, you get 2. So that's why the total and kamu kena tolak dengan your R. How many you berjaya untuk dapat, which is 3 girls. That's why the formula is Q power N minus R. Okay, simple. Guys, what's so difficult about binomial distribution? Apa sangat susah? Kamu lukis 5 perempuan saja ni. You can answer all the binomial question in this world already. No problem. This is how I teach. Okay, not like your school teacher. Teach one by one the question all. One situation I give, you all understand terus. Am I right? Saya bagi cara mudah nak faham. 5 girls, how to choose them? This is binomial distribution. Okay, this is how it's easy to understand. All right, guys, are you clear? Jelas? Binomial basically is that's all only you need to know because it's not so complicated. Okay, and of course you need to know a certain few things lah, like the symbol of inequality. Kamu kena tahu simbol ketaksamaan. Okay, example lah. Okay, let's say, guys, more than. Can anyone tell me what is the symbol? Yang ni kamu kena tahu because your symbol will affect your answer. Okay, simbol kamu akan pengaruhi kebarangkalian kamu. So more than, guys, can you all type the symbol for me? Lebih besar. Okay, correct. How about less than? All these very important. Okay, like this. How about at least? Sekurang-kurangnya. How is the symbol? Okay, correct. How about at most? Selebih-lebihnya. Okay, very good. Okay, got some more. Definitely got some more. Let me think. Okay, not more than. Tidak lebih daripada. How is the symbol? Anyone? Not more than? Very good. Must have equal sign, guys. Kena ada simbol sama dengan. Don't leave it out. Okay, how about not less than? Tidak kurang daripada. How will it look like? Okay, very good. So basically, these are a few major symbols lah that you all must know. Usually, they will ask this one, especially the top one. This one very common. Okay, sangat biasa. Okay, I don't think there is other things lah that they will come out with, if not mistaken. Okay, so make sure you all know all these symbols. All right. So, and also one more thing I want to explain. Let's say lah, we go back to the 5 girl scenario. Kita pergi pada 5 perempuan tadi saya cakap tu, the 5 girl scenario. So let's say now lah, I want to choose 3 girls. And I want to calculate the probability of choosing 3 girls. I give you the P is 0.2, the Q is 0.8. Okay, so guys, what should I write? Px equal to, this is just an example. What is x equal to? Sama dengan? Anyone? What should I put on the equal to sign? Kabelah kanan? Yes, equal to 3. Okay, so now you must know the formula lah. Total you have 5. Jumlah 5, C 3. You choose 3, pilih 3. And then 0.2 power 3, 0.8 kuasa 2. Okay, this is how you solve lah. And then directly press calculator. So guys, do you all know how to press calculator for this? Because this one your calculator skill must be good, because you have a lot to key in. Ada banyak data nak masukkan. So if one thing wrong, your final answer will be wrong. Okay, so any problem here you have on calculator, guys? Ada apa-apa masalah? If you have problem, please share, because I can show to you all the calculator thing. If no problem, I just proceed only. Okay, so if you count and see, no problem. Okay, good. Make sure you all don't seal out here because very kesian one is you already know everything, but it's the final answer problem. Okay, so this will be the answer. Usually give to 3 SF. Okay, 3 angka bererti, 3 significant figure. Remember. All right. So now guys, I want to ask you all a question. How should I count probability x is greater than 1 for the same situation? Apa kaedah yang saya kena guna? What method should I use guys? Anyone? Kalau nak kira x lebih besar dari 1, my total is 5. No need to plus each one. Okay, this is the method I want to explain to you all. Guys, always remember, the easy option, 1 tolak. Always use 1 minus. Very simple. Kalau tak, you must do 1 by 1. Probability x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3 plus probability x equal to 4. You will get the same answer. No worries. Kamu akan dapat jawapan sama. But which one save time, guys? Mana jimat masa? This one lah. Okay, so directly use that one. No problem at all. Alright, so binomial, selalu ingat, if you can do it, use 1 minus. Kalau jalan kira lebih pendek. Jumlah keberangkalian tolak dengan apa yang kamu nak cari. That will be the answer. Okay, so this is basically how the question can play lah on binomial. Nothing much. Mereka tak boleh main banyak kat sini. Okay, it's very straightforward. Sangat straightforward compared to normal. Okay, so let me see. So until here, any question? Apa-apa soalan? I think shouldn't have, isn't it? So let me think. Anything else I miss out to tell? Okay, guys, we talk about the formula. I just forget the formula. One more thing, guys. Guys, the formula for binomial. Okay, you all know this formula, right? Rumus binomial. Can I ask you guys, what is the condition between n and r? Apa syarat bagi nilai n dan r? Can anyone type out? Yes, n must be always greater than r. Actually, greater or equal to, because you can have 8C8, masih boleh. Okay, n greater or equal to r. Okay, or in other words, r is less than or equal to n lah. Okay, r tak boleh lebih besar dari n, impossible. Okay, tak ada keberangkalian macam tu. Okay, r must be less than or equal to n. Okay, so now guys, how about the r value? Yeah, the r value is basically sampai n sahaja. Okay, your r can only go up till n. Tak boleh pergi lebih jauh dari jumlah yang kamu ada. The limit is your total number of option you have, your n, nilai n kat sini. Itu adalah had kamu, your limit. Okay, so yeah. And also binomial, you all got learn a few more things, right? Am I right? You all learn how to count mean. Am I right? Cara nak kira mean dalam binomial. This is a very small section. So can anyone remind me? Apa rumus bagi mean? This one they'll ask you question also, always. What is the formula? Binomial, mean? Yes. Easy way to remember, guys. I give you all a technique, tips. Tips macam mana nak ingat formula mean. Mean no problem. Which means that to calculate mean in binomial is no problem. NP, no problem. Cari mean tu, no problem lah. NP. That's why mean is NP. Do you guys get it? Why the formula is like that? Bukan, this is not the reason why the formula is like that. Okay, there is a reason how you get n times p, but the way for you to memorize mean, no problem. Boleh calculate saja, sangat senang. So mean, no problem. Variance, I am a bit sorry lah, guys. Okay, variance, I don't have a method actually, but can you all tell me the formula, variance for binomial? You sure, Andy? Variance, how to count? Yes, NPQ. Okay, correct. Okay, variance is NPQ. Okay, so these are the two basic that you all need to know. Dua basic rumus saja yang kamu kena tahu. Alright? So anyone got mnemonic for this or acronym? Can anyone suggest? Just now saya ada mean no problem. So variance, variance NPQ ada apa? Q. I think got no formula lah, guys. I also cannot think macam mana nak hafal rumus ni. I don't think you all can remember like that. Oh, yeah, yeah, Andy, correct. Okay, I think yours is correct. Variance. Now, please, quiet. Not quite lah, quiet. Okay, why I say quiet? Because variance sangat susah untuk cari. Am I right? You got 3 things to times with. Kamu ada 3 perkara nak darab. Okay, so it's a bit more susah lah. That's why your feeling towards the variance. Perasan kamu tak ada variance tu adalah variance. Now, please quiet. Okay, very good lah guys. You all not bad. Okay, so mean no problem. Variance no. Variance now, please quiet. Okay, so anytime you all lupa formula, remember this in your mind. Keep on chanting it to yourself, something like that. Kamu kena jadikan itu sebagai routine. What you tell to yourself every day. Mean no problem, variance now, please quiet. Okay, always say like that. Then you will memorize already. Yeah, story lah. It's a story, correct. Okay, so how about standard deviation, guys? Everyone, CCN PRY, macam mana kira? Should be no problem lah. You just have to square root the variance only. Punca kuasa 2 and PQ. So this is standard deviation. Okay, so these are the only 3 things they will ask. Binomial, tak ada apa-apa. Okay, so basically this is all lah on binomial, I think, if not mistaken. Let me see if got anything else that I didn't tell you all. One more thing, guys. Do you all know how to draw binomial? Kamu tahu tak cara nak lukis binomial? Everyone here. Do you know the method to represent a binomial distribution? Cara nak gambarkan? You know, So remember, question will always ask like this also. This is your x-axis, paksi x. This is your y-axis. Yes, bar. Okay, or a line lah, you can say. This will be the value 1, 2, 3, 4, kosong. Then you might have some fraction over here. Kamu akan ada pecahan macam ni. Okay, let's say lah something like this. Okay, so kamu kena lukis garis macam ni until the probability. This will be the example of the binomial graph. Okay, ini contoh dia. Alright, so why is the shape like this, guys? Can anyone tell me? Mengapa bentuk dia macam ni? Mengapa palang-palang saja? Why is it just a line like that? Try to recall. Binomial distribution is a type of discrete random variable. So this is why it is discrete lah. Can you see, guys? Dia tak ada sambungan. There is no connection between them. That's why it's just one by one, discrete. Simple word to understand, single. Guys, you can understand now, right? Binomial distribution is just like how all the boys are in this world, single to mingle. Okay, tak ada couple. So binomial is for boy. Senang nak ingat, BB. Binomial, boy. That's why single. Single, palang macam tu saja. There is no couple, not 2 by 2. Okay, it's single when you draw out the graph. Okay, so this is another way lah to memorize. Alright, so I think this all lah on binomial. So are you guys clear? Before we want to go normal, kita dah habis dah binomial. Everything that I want to share, I've shared already. Okay, guys, can we go normal now? Everyone here, my future A+ students, can we go normal? Hello. Okay, we go normal lah. Normal distribution. This is the majority where people struggle. Okay, tabuhan normal. Okay, guys. So first thing, just now I forget to ask y'all, can anyone give me, oh never mind, I already gave the example. No need. Okay guys, for this one, for normal distribution, boleh tak sesiapa bagi kat saya contoh situasi harian yang boleh menggambarkan tabuhan normal? Can anyone give me a situation to show normal distribution? Yeah, correct. Exam marks. The most simple example that you can think of, markah peperiksaan. Okay, how they determine your grade in SPM. Macam mana mereka tahu 90 tu A+, 80 adalah A, 70 adalah A-, is based on the normal distribution curve. Alright, so this is one of the application lah, how they know the grade for your SPM is based on normal distribution, tabuhan normal. That's why normal distribution is a very strong distribution. The concept is very powerful one. Can apply to many fields. Okay, normal distribution, very important. Okay, So guys, when we talk about normal, tak lari tak bukan lah, you must know how to use the table. This is one of the thing I emphasize. Okay, kamu kena betul-betul clear tentang yang ni. So that's why I'm going to explain now. So make sure you all listen carefully. You must know how to use the table. No other way. Tak ada cara lain. Okay, this one is based on how you see it lah. Kamu kena tahu. Okay, so one more thing guys. Normal, remember, is continuous. Dia adalah pemboleh ubah lawak selanjar. Okay, continuous variable. Continuous random variable. Okay, so that's why, guys, do you remember what is the shape for your normal distribution? Can you all describe to me? Bentuk tabuhan normal, what do we call it? You all have learned, right? What is the shape of the graph? Apa bentuk graph tu? Anyone? The shape? Yes, bell shape. Bentuk loceng dalam BM. Okay, something like this. Okay, so basically, awalnya dia akan diplot terhadap X. It'll be towards X. Okay, lepas tu kamu kena tukar ke score Z. After that, you must convert from X to Z. Sebab nilai-nilai dalam jadual tu semua mewakili score Z. All the values in your row and column in the jadual represent score Z. Alright? So guys, can anyone tell me how to convert to score Z? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya formula? This is the only formula kamu kena tahu untuk normal. Satu saja. Binomial got 2, normal ada 1. Yes, X minus mean over standard deviation. This formula sangat powerful also. Okay, jangan lupa convert kepada score Z dulu. Jangan guna nilai terus. Don't use the data directly in the question. Must convert to score Z if it's normal distribution. Okay, common mistake. Kadang-kadang kamu rush sebab nak cepat habis, you forget to convert from X to score Z. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, X to score Z. Lepas tu, after you convert already, kamu kena cari, cari nilai dalam jadual. Find the value of the probability in the table. Nilai kebarangkalian. The probability value in your table. So this is how it goes. Okay, so guys, originally normal. Can anyone tell me? Ada ditulis dalam senarai rumus juga. X normal. Siapa-siapa boleh bagi tahu nilai dalam dua ni tak? What is the number I should fill? Very good. 01. Kalau kamu ingat balik, nilai ni mewakili mean. The first value in normal represent mean. The second value represent the variance. Maksudnya mean kamu 0, variance kamu 1. Standard deviation also 1 lah sebab punca kuasa 1 kamu dapat 1. Yes, very good, correct. Okay, this is one of the thing you can notice. This over here, this paksi Y lah, basically is your mean. That's why mean is 0. Originally, sebelum kamu tukar ke score Z. When you change to score Z, it will shift. Dia akan berubah sikit. Okay? So guys, and one is the space between the hill. The variance you mean, right? Yeah, later we will discuss on that also, correct? Okay? So guys, how do we get all the probability value in the jadual? Macam mana kita dapat semua nilai dalam jadual tu yang kamu dapat dalam SPM? How do we get all the value? Can anyone give a suggestion? What does all those value represent? Nilai dalam jadual tu mewakili apa sebenarnya? Anyone know? Other than probability, selain probability, kalau saya nak rujuk graph ni, what quantity of the graph represent the probability? Quantity apa dalam graph ni menggambarkan kebarangkalian? Yes, the area under the graph, guys. Luas bawah graph sama dengan kebarangkalian. Remember that. Okay, ingat yang tu. Alright? Yes, correct. They use integration. Proses yang sangat kompleks. Okay, you all no need to know. I also don't want to teach you all. Later you all pening. Okay, saya tak mau guna yang tu. Okay, because pertama kali kamu kena tahu persamaan lengkung ni. You must know the equation of the curve. Am I right? Baru kamu boleh kamekan. But we don't know the equation. Saya pun tak tahu apa persamaan lengkung ni sebenarnya. Jangan kata kat saya ini adalah kuadratik, guys. This is not a quadratic curve. Alright, jangan ingat dia quadratic. It's a bell curve. Okay, dia ada persamaan tertentu, a certain equation. Okay, it's not quadratic. Alright, so that one you no need to know, but the main thing you all must know, can anyone tell kebarangkalian untuk yang sebelah kiri apa nilai dia? What is the value? Yes, it's always half of the total probability. Setengah daripada jumlah kebarangkalian. Means this is also 0.5. Okay, this is the major thing you all must know lah on the normal. Alright, so hope you all clear lah on this one. Okay, so now basically I'm going to teach you how to use the table. Okay, so oh no. Guys, because they say it's going to end in 10 minutes. Yeah, this will be the last paling akhir. So can we end first? Then I restart back. I think it can cover hopefully until the last, because I don't want to suddenly stop teaching. Okay, guys, make sure join back using the same link. Okay, so I stop. Okay, so we look at the table. I'll show the table here, so no worries. Okay, guys, do you see this table? Everyone can see? Okay, got a lot of values, right? Ada banyak nilai. So first things first, yang pertama sekali, all these values here on the left and on the top, what do they represent, guys? Nilai-nilai kat sebelah kiri and on the top, what does it represent? What quantity? First thing you all must not confuse. Anyone? What do the value represent? Yang sebelah kiri dan ke atas? Anyone? Hello, guys. What does it represent? No, I mean, what quantity does it represent? The values on the most top and the left-hand corner. All of this and all of this. Yes, remember, guys, Z score. Okay, this represent the Z score. Don't confuse, So maybe I can highlight like this. Okay, this one and this one, all of this, dia mewakili score Z. Okay, this is your Z score. Remember this. Okay, so how about all the value inside here, guys? Semua nilai kat dalam ni mewakili apa? What does it represent? Very good. Don't confuse. Okay, all of the value inside is probability, kebarangkalian. Jangan tertukar. Don't switch. It's totally wrong. All right, so this is the first thing that you all must take note. Okay, so now, second thing that you all must take note. So guys, do you see the maximum value of probability in your table? Apa nilai maximum kebarangkalian yang kamu ada? If you see the whole table, what's the biggest value? Anyone? Yes, correct. So do you all know why is it 0.5? Kenapa 0.5 saja? Why not it go until 1? Yes, always half. Okay, dia ada setengah. Okay, and remember guys, your graph, normal distribution, always symbol dia adalah baca ke kanan. The graph, all these values are designed for the shaded region, kawasan berlorek ke sebelah kanan, to the right. So when you want to convert from the probability to Z score ataupun score Z to probability, make sure your symbol is always greater than. Okay, tak boleh lebih kurang ataupun apa-apa lagi. It must be greater than. Okay, take note. Common mistake. Alright, and make sure guys, can your score Z be negative? Boleh tak score Z saya negatif bila nak cari kebarangkalian? No, my final one. Can the Z score be negative if I want to refer to this table? Yes, no. You must find a way to make it positive. Kamu kena cari cara untuk pastikan dia selalu positif. Make sure it's always positive. So first thing, make sure symbol is always ke arah kanan, towards the right. Okay, and then the second thing, Z score positive. Two major things that you all must know. All right. So until here, are you clear on the table, guys? Any question? Before I start to ask you all some values and you all tell me the probability. This is the easiest way to know whether you understand lah. Saya bagi saja satu score Z, you tell me the answer. Okay? So guys, before we go to that lah, can anyone tell me among all these values lah, if you are a mathematical genius lah, kalau kamu seorang yang sangat bagus dalam matematik, I'm sure some of you are here. Let me just check one more time. Not being racist lah, guys, but I just want to ask you all a funny question. Okay, guys. Anyone know here, among all the score Z over here, score Z mana yang Cina paling suka? Which score Z does Chinese like a lot? I discovered this suddenly. Can anyone think which Z score the Chinese like a lot? No, wrong. It's a more deeper thing. Cina paling suka punya which score Z? Try to look at the probability and tell me. No, wrong. I'm telling Z score, guys. Which Z score? Andy, you China, right? You should be able to answer me this question. Which Z score the Chinese like? Means in another word, which Z score can give a probability that the Chinese like? Anyone know? Very close, Eddie. Very close. Some more? No, not 1.4. Oh, sorry. No. You must be specific, guys. Score Z can go up to 2 dp. So you refer on top as well. The nilai on top. You must give me your answer to 2 dp. 2.4. Guys, I'll tell you the answer. Don't get shocked. Guys, do you all see this value? 0.112. Nilai yang paling special untuk orang Cina. A very special value for the Chinese. Okay, means the score Z is actually 1.22 to get this value. Okay, score Z is 1.22. So anyone know what's the reason? Siapa dah tahu dah why I say this is the favorite score Z for the Chinese? Do you know what you get when you take 1 tolak 0.1112, guys? What value do you get if 1 minus 0.1112? What's the value? A very special number, right? Can you imagine, guys? Ada ke barang kalian they cipta 0.8888? 4 times 8, you know, guys. How lucky is that? What a coincidence. Can you see why I say 1.22 is the score Z China? So guys, very simple. If you all remember this value, always remember, if in your exam you get a score Z of 1.22, direct write 0.8888. No need to refer jadwal. Straight away memorize, write this. Save a lot of time. It can save a lot of time. Trust me, guys. Dia boleh jimat banyak masa tau. Berbanding kamu selak ke belakang, then you go like that. Special value you must memorize. Okay, kena ingat. Like 1.22 score Z, you get 0.8888. Alright, but this one depends if you take 1 minus lah. Kamu kena ambil 1 tolak, then only you get the answer. Alright, so just as fun thing lah for y'all, satu benda yang menarik. Okay, must be from your girl. No lah, my girl don't like maths. Ayo, sorry. Later this recording go to YouTube, then she can see already. She don't like maths actually. Yeah, sadly. I'm a person who like maths. Okay. So guys, now we test randomly. So guys, I tell you the score Z, you tell me the probability. Are you okay? Saya bagi tahu score Z, kamu bagi tahu kat saya kebarangkalian dia. Don't lah. Okay. So guys, first thing 0.85. Tell me the probability. 0.85 score Z. What is the probability? Fast. Come on guys. Cepat. You must be very quick. 0.85. What do you get? Probability. Very good. 0.1977. 0.85, 0.1997. 1977. Okay. So how about 0.41? Apa kebarangkalian dia? 0.41. Okay, correct. 0.3409. Remember, guys, when you write in your probability chapter, you must leave to 4 dp. Kena bagi kepada 4.40. Okay, 4 dp. Don't cut short to 1 dp because accuracy dia akan ganggu. It will ganggu your ketepatan of your answer. Alright, so make sure this is correct lah, guys. Okay, so now we involve 3 dp score Z. Are you all ready? Listen careful lah, guys. Not easy, Okay, I want 0. Wait, I rub first in case suddenly a value is this thing. Okay, guys, I want 1.371. What is the probability? 1.371. See who can give the fastest answer. Come on. 1.371. I so must count now, guys. Don't be so cruel to me, okay? Aida, almost there. Some more. You missed just a little only. 1.371. Anyone else? 1.371. Apa score that dia? Come on, guys. What are the rest? Not correct. Correct. Okay. Oh, people now send direct message. Huh? You all smart, guys. Don't want to share in public. Okay, good. So you want me to check your answer, lah? That's good. Okay. So far I see one correct answer. I won't reveal who. The rest who want to check the answer, send in private. Bagi private message pada saya in the Zoom. The rest, what is your answers? 1.371 score Z. Anyone else? No. Some more? No. Very close, but slightly wrong. The last digit wrong. The others correct. Last one wrong. I think you terbalik already. Instead of minus, you plus. Silap. You're supposed to minus the two values. Okay, so guys, just now I say 1.371, right? So you can refer over here. 1.37. Okay. 1.3 you highlight. Stop here. So this is the intersection. Okay, persilangan kat sini. Am I right? So the score Z is this one, 0.0853. Okay, guys? But then I say 1. Ada digit 1 kat belakang. The third decimal place. Tempat perpuluhan ketiga is 1. So guys, is number 2. Am I right? Dia nombor 2. So should I minus or plus? Perlu tak saya tolak atau tambah? Everyone here? Minus or plus? When you want to find the final probability, correct? Minus. Okay, kena tolak. Don't terbalik. You must always minus, remember. Okay? Because your probability shape is to the right. Okay? Graph kamu selalunya ke kanan. Is designed, the values all go to the right. Okay? In different type of graph, maybe you must plus. Okay? Kalau tabuhan kebarangkalian, all the nilai itu merujuk kepada yang ke kiri, towards the left. Okay? What I mean is, I can show you all an example. Maybe if you all don't understand. Your SPM one lah. Sorry, I can show here actually directly. Over here is shown. Okay, can you see this, guys? This one is given to you all, in SPM. You can see that all the probability value in the table is referred to this one. Dia adalah ke kanan, is towards the right. Can you see this, guys? So that's why your heart is until 0.5 only, the probability. Total probability until 0.5 only, no more. All right? Can understand now, guys? If your graph baca to the left, if suddenly lah your normal distribution adalah ke arah kiri, then semua nilai dalam jadual akan berubah. All the values in your table will change. But now since SPM focus to the right, semua nilai adalah macam dalam jadual. Exactly like that. Okay, guys? So are you clear? Any problems? So maybe we try one more for score Z so that you all get better at it. So let's say now I want 0.099. Everyone here, what is the probability? 0.099. I want the probability now. So anyone, you can share the answer once you get it. 0.009. 0.099. Kebarangkalian dia berapa? Okay, got answers already. Mirinda wrong. Haida correct. How about the rest? 0.099. Apa kebarangkalian kamu? Okay, Kantan correct. The rest? Anyone else want to try? Kebarangkalian apa? 0.099 or no more? Huh? Okay, so the correct answer is 0.4605. Okay guys, jawapan betul 0.4605. So how to get the value? 0.0, you can refer to the table, 0.09. So the value is 0.4641. Okay, and then I put a 9 at the back, lagi 19. So then I must take this value lah, 36. So 0.4641 tolak, must minus nombor kat belakang, 0.0036. Okay guys, do you all understand now on how to get the probability? Must be accurate guys. One decimal place salah, you still wrong answer. Okay, because it means you don't know how to use the table. Kamu tak tahu macam mana nak guna jadual. Okay, so make sure it's accurate. Don't round off also. Jangan bundarkan jawapan kepada 3 tempat perpuluhan terdekat. Mesti 4 tempat perpuluhan. 4 decimal. Okay guys, so now you know how to convert from score Z to probability. So now terbalik. Okay guys, terbalik means how? I tell the probability, you tell me the score Z. Okay, saya bagi tahu kebarangkalian, kamu bagi tahu kat saya apa score Z tu. Okay guys, I start with the first one lah. Your favorite, 0.8888. What is the score Z guys? If you still remember, I got to tutup this one so that you all don't see. 0.8888. Apa score Z dia? Wrong. Yes, 1.22. Okay, you all remember, huh? Not bad. Remember this one. 0.8888 punya kebarangkalian score Z dia adalah 1.22. Special. Okay, because nombor tu sangat special. Okay, 1.22. Okay, so that's the first one lah I want to test. Now I go back to the slide. Okay, how about 0.0778? Can anyone tell me the answer? 0.0778. What is the score Z? .0778. Haida, I asking score Z now, not probability. Score Z only 2 dp guys, remember? Yes, 1.42. Very good. If you want to add 0 at the back also can. Kamu boleh letak kosong juga ke belakang. Okay, because 0 won't influence the answer. Okay, in score Z, because nilai untuk tempat perpuluhan ketiga, the third decimal place start with 1. Okay, so if you add 0, tak pengaruhi nilai. Alright, so now becomes the challenging part. Okay guys, can you all tell me if my probability is 0.1128, what is my score Z? 0.1128. Apa score Z saya? This one might need you all some time. Wait, let me check for you. Wait, I forget to erase something here. Maybe you cannot see. 0.1128, right? I say. Mirinda, your answer should have 3 decimal place, 3 tempat perpuluhan for this case. Because 0. Okay, I see the correct answer already. Okay, Kantan get the correct answer. Mirinda, very close, you missed by 1 digit wrong. Okay, guys, I explain. This one a bit harder. Sometimes can come out also in the SPM like this. Okay, so you must see carefully. Wait, that's why I say technique of reading the jadwal very important. Okay, it's the majority of calon buat salah is over here. Definitely it's over here. Cara nak baca jadual. Okay, so I say 0.1128. Am I right? So guys, antara nilai ni dengan nilai yang ni, which one should I choose as my probability to refer? Yang lebih tinggi ataupun yang lebih rendah? Which one? If my probability 0.1128, which one should I choose? Wait, is it lebih rendah, guys? Are you sure? Let me check again. Yeah, supposedly kamu kena pilih yang, yeah, the closer one to the value, correct. So guys, yang mana lebih dekat? 0.1131 lah, lebih dekat. Because 0.1112 sangat jauh dah. Okay, from 0.1128. That's why score Z, kamu kena mula dengan 1.21. 1.21. But this is not the final answer. Bukan jawapan akhir. Mengapa? Sebab saya boleh tolak. Dari nilai ni saya kena tolak untuk dapat 0.1128. So guys, how much must I minus? Berapa saya kena tolak? Dari 0.1131 ke 0.1128. Anyone? How much must I minus? Tell me the value. Nilai apa? Nombor apa kena tolak? Anyone? What value should I minus, guys? Dari 0.1131 to 0.1128. Berapa kena tolak untuk dapat 0.1128? Huh? No lah, I'm asking how much you must minus. Berapa kena tolak? What is the value I must minus? Yes, 3. So guys, where do you get the 3? Kamu refer kat sini. Your third decimal place. So guys, can I minus 4? Boleh tak saya tolak lebih? Maksudnya 0.1131, I minus 0.0004. Sepatutnya I will get 0.1127. Am I right? Tapi soalan saya 0.1128. Okay, so wrong. You must get higher than the value always. Kebangkalan yang kamu dapat selepas tolak dengan tempat perpuluhan ketiga tu, the third decimal place, must be higher than the probability that you have, the amount you minus. Okay, that's why saya tak boleh tolak 4. Saya kena tolak dengan nilai terdekat 2. Do you guys get it? So the final score Z is 1.211. Okay guys, are you clear? Don't confuse this one because very minor detail. Ada detail sangat banyak. Are you guys clear? Sebab kamu tolak 0.1131, kalau tolak dengan 0.0002, you will get 0.1129. Am I right? Nilai itu lebih tinggi daripada soalan saya, yaitu 0.1128. 9 lebih besar dari 8. Am I right? Okay guys. So can you tell me, are you clear or not? Everyone here? After I practice with you all? Yeah, 1.211, correct. Okay, make sure you all know this is an example. You can try with a lot of questions lah to practice on your own. Okay, so now I want to go to the question at least so that we can discuss some soalan together. Okay, so we see this question. Okay, basically I covered all the binomial and normal already lah. After you know how to use the table, you should be able to do already. Should be no problem. Okay, of course got certain things lah. Maybe I can highlight to you all. Maybe like, let me see. Maybe I discuss one more thing with you all. One thing important maybe I forgot just now. Wait, guys, before we go to the question. Okay. Guys, you all tell you got problem when changing the sign. Am I right? Kamu ada masalah bila nak tukar simbol. Betul kan? So guys, let's say lah, my probability is like this. Dan saya nak baca dari jadual, nilai kebangkalian ni apa? Okay, so what is the mistake here guys? Can you identify apa kesilapan dalam ungkapan yang saya tulis? What is the mistake in the probability expression I write? Yes, negative. So how to change the negative guys? Macam mana nak tukar negative? If I want to hapuskan negative, what should I do? Anyone? Yes, flip. You flip the symbol. Dari lebih besar, become lebih kecil. From more than, become less than, negative will automatically hapus. Remember that. This is one rule. Okay? So, but now guys, if I have like this, can I directly read the answer in the table? Boleh tak saya terus tengok kat jadual? Is it correct? Everyone here? No. Remember, simbol dia kena lebih besar, always greater than. So what can I do now, guys? What can I apply? Some more. Before saya baca jadual, what can I use? Anyone? Instead of changing the sign, saya buat 1 minus. Very good. These are the two techniques you all must know. When 1 minus, you can change the symbol without adding negative, tanpa buat negative. So this is the expression you all must count. Ini adalah ungkapan yang betul. This to understand lah. Kalau kamu sangat bagus, you can directly go from the first step to the last step. No problem. But if you cannot understand, you go slowly lah, satu per satu kamu buat. Okay, both also is correct. Answer is 0.946. I must check lah. Let me see the table lah. Because I didn't solve this question. 1.614. 1.61. Let me count lah. 0.0537. 14 minus 0.004. Let me see. Mirindra, you should have another decimal at the back, 0.9467. You should have 4 dp. Remember, probability must have 4 dp. So you're lacking one final digit at the back. It should be 0.9467. 7 missing. Yeah, you must refer to this column. Guys, jangan lupa, for your third decimal place of the score Z, you must always refer to the bahagian paling kanan. You can see over here. Wait, wait. Sorry, guys. I think no need to tambah. It's only 1.61, means your answer is correct. Sorry. I think it was 1.611. Okay, your answer is right. Okay, only 2 dp. So directly, no need to refer to the right. Okay, tak perlu rujuk kanan. Okay, guys? So clear? So always remember, the summary is, the first thing, if your symbol originally is less than, okay, originally less than, you can tukar symbol and then add a negative sign. Okay, maybe I should write like this lah. Tambah dengan simbol negative. Remember, when you switch sign, you must add negative. All right? And then the second case is, if your symbol is less than, but you don't want to add the negative, kamu tak mau tambah negative tu, you use 1 minus, greater than. Okay, guys, do you get the summary? Do you understand? These are the two things you all must know only for this chapter. Dua perkara only. I hope you can understand what I mean here lah. Okay, this is a summary. All right? So clear on this part? And also one more thing. One thing that maybe you all not very familiar with will be this one. Modulus. Guys, can anyone type out for me? How do I write out this one? Kadang-kadang kalian boleh tanya modulus also. So how should I write this? This one is the toughest one lah, I feel. Yang paling susah. Others all apply this concept. Guna konsep ni saja. So anyone can tell me? This is the last thing you all must know. How to do in normal. Paling akhir punya. Okay, let me see. Yes, you not only have one. Remember, guys. Not 1 minus. Guys, slowly When you break the modulus, guys, bila kamu pecahkan modulus, kamu dapat apa? You will get positive, negative 2.063. Okay, very good. You have 2. So this is your first one. Okay, assume, there is 2 case. Okay, so 2.063. But now, kalau saya nak negative 2 point something something, oh my God. Okay, I think just time lah. I think we can complete it just nice. 10 minutes still got time. Less than negative 2.063. Okay, guys, do you get it? Bila nak tambah negatif, bila pecahkan simbol, apply back the original rule. Guna balik petua ni. If you want to add negative, you must switch sign. tukar simbol. Do you guys get it? That's why when you break the modulus, bila pecahkan modulus, I have greater than 2.063 and less than negative 2.063. Okay, guys? Are you clear? This one must know, guys, because SPM boleh keluar. It can come out if they want. This one is the harder type of question lah, yang lebih susah, bukan direct. Okay, but now, if you refer to this, can I directly take the value from the jadual, guys? If like this, boleh tak saya ambil nilai secara terus? No, there is two mistake here. Ada dua kesilapan. Simbol salah is less than, dia ada negatif. Score Z selalu positif. There must no be negative. Okay, so basically, yang pertama dah betul, so you salin. So this one, what I can do, remember, if switch sign, kamu tukar simbol, negative hapus. Okay, the negative is gone when you switch the sign. Okay, plus probability Z greater than 2.063. Jadi, kalau kamu nak ringkaskan yang ni, to simplify it, you will get 2 times the probability of Z greater than 2.063. Okay, guys, do you all understand? This is everything lah, modulus. This one is how you should do it. Okay, then you refer to your table only. Lihat jadual saja, then you will get the answer. Okay, guys? So clear, huh? Because I think I not have time for the exercise, so I want to explain a bit more lah on the normal curve. Let's say you all confused on the normal curve still. Okay, guys, I explained to you all about the modulus thing lah. All right. So just now my question is modulus Z greater than 2.063. Am I right? Then I say pecahkan. You separate to two case. Okay, separate to two case. So you will have negative 0.2063 and also 2.063. Am I right, guys? Ini cara kamu buat kan? Correct, right? Okay. So now, if greater than 2.063, kamu akan lorek bahagian mana, guys? You will shade here. Am I right? If greater than 2.063. Kalau lebih kurang dari 2.063, where will you shade? You will shade over here. Am I right? So guys, do you understand why the probability is now 2 times of this? Boleh faham? Because luas tu adalah sama. On both ends of the curve, the area is the same. That's why it's 2 times nilai yang kamu dapat dari jadual. Okay, 2 kali kebarangkalian untuk skor Z 2.063. Okay, guys, do you get it? If you ever confused, you don't understand how to switch the sign, 1 minus, draw out this one. Lukis pada kertas kamu saja, so that you can understand and imagine. Okay or not, guys? Can you all respond me? Boleh faham? So first option is you memorize the sign. Second option is you memorize the diagram. Kamu kena lukis, then you will understand also. Okay, huh? Everyone? Can you all respond? Don't so silent. Okay, huh? Make sure you all clear on it. Okay, so maybe we try. I hope it doesn't end. Let me see. If got time, we try one question. Let's see, huh? I try to find a good question for you all that combine binomial and normal. We discussed one SPM question because that's the recent one. Okay, you can see over here, this is the question. Okay, one question to make you understand everything. Satu soalan saja. Okay guys, first part. They ask you to shade modulus Z is lebih besar atau sama dengan A. So can anyone tell me where should I shade? Very good, the two ends, correct? That's how you get the mark. Okay, 1 mark. Just shade only, lorekkan saja. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so next one. They say that it is divided into 3 equal part. Dibahagikan kepada 3 bahagian yang sama panjang. So guys, can anyone tell me what is the probability for ABC? Apa kebarangkalian dia? If they say divided to 3 equal part. Everyone here? Huh? How you get 1/6? Don't scare me lah. It should be 1/3 ya guys. 1/3 darab 1. Jumlah kebarangkalian kamu 1. Means you should get each one is 1/3. Alright, so now they ask you the value of K. So how to find K, guys? Anyone? Macam mana nak cari K? You can refer to the shaded region here lah. K. Oh, you already know lah. K is not 0.5. You have to do a bit of calculation, guys. Bukan, not 0.333. 0.333, guys, is the whole area yang berlorek. Do you guys understand? So basically, kamu boleh tulis macam ni. You must write out like this. K is already in score Z. So kamu tak perlu tukar ke score Z. K is already given to you in score Z. You can lihat the x-axis over here. If the x-axis is in Z, you don't need to convert. Equal to 1/3. Do you guys understand? Boleh faham how I get this one? So then only from here you can get the K. Baru boleh dapat nilai ni by solving the equation. Alright, so how to solve? You can see over here. Okay, of course you must refer to the table. Okay, you can see how I do it lah. I use 1 minus. Saya tolak bahagian yang lebih besar dari K. I minus the region that is greater than K. And then I minus the region that is less than negative K. Equal to 0.333. Guys, you don't need to write 1/3 ya. Because semua kebarangkalian dalam jadual kamu hanya 4 tempat perpuluhan. So maybe if you want, you can write 33 lah untuk selamat. Alright. So then, this one, you can notice the mistake. Am I right? Dia ada kesilapan. Less than or equal to negative K means Z akan lebih besar atau sama dengan K. So you must switch to become like this. Okay, then you rearrange. Kamu susun balik semua. You should get this one. Alright, then you look back from the table. Kamu lihat jadual untuk tentukan nilai K. You should do it like how I do just now lah. 0.3336 you must minus with the maximum you can go. Okay, yang paling maximum. Okay, you should minus 0.0004 lah. Then you can get the K is 0.431. Saya rasa nilai yang paling besar is 4 lah. That's why saya tolak dengan 3. There is no 3 in the table. That's why I minus 4. Okay, guys? Do you get me? How I get the answer? I hope you all can lah. Okay, if you understand the working, then you should be able to do it. Okay, but now you see this question, guys. They ask you the mode for part A. So anyone know how to get this answer? This is no calculation. How to get the mode for part A, guys? Anyone? Macam mana kira mode? They never teach you this also. But come out in SPM. Anyone? How to count the mode? Hello? No, you cannot use that one because mode tak ada nilai kat situ. Do you realize you get K 0.431, guys? Just now we solved, right? We get 0.431. Am I right? So that is the score Z. Nilai itu adalah score Z. And they ask you now the mode for part A. Bahagian A punya mode. Okay, so how to get the A mode? Mode means is the thing with the highest frequency lah. Score Z yang ada kekerapan yang paling tinggi. Yeah, correct. Negative 0.431. Do you guys understand? Because the probability here is 1/3. Am I right? And 1/3 is the highest probability in the whole diagram over here. 1/3 adalah kebarangkalian yang paling tinggi. There is no other probability that is higher than 1/3. That's why 0.431 punya score Z akan dapat bagi kebarangkalian 1/3, yaitu kebarangkalian yang paling tinggi. Okay, 0.431 score Z can give you a value of probability that is 1/3, which is the highest probability in this question. Okay, let me stop record first. I forgot to record. Okay, I have to repeat the whole thing again. Okay, so this is the SPM 2022 question that I set for, and I want to discuss on binomial distribution, tabuhan binomial. So this is the second part of the question. Okay, so they are talking about size of shoe, whether it's a discrete random variable or not. Okay, so they ask to say, is the statement true or not? Adakah pernyataan ni benar ke tak? Okay, so yeah, the answer is correct. Okay, Mirindra, wrong lah. The answer is yes, the statement is true. Guys, size of shoe, it is separate. Am I right? is either 6, 7, 8, 9. Can it form a normal distribution? Size of shoe? Everyone here? Boleh tak size kasut diwakili oleh tabuhan binomial? I don't think so. Okay, it is discrete. Size kasut, read the question carefully. If size kaki, then correct. See the question here, size kasut. Okay, shoe size. Okay, so definitely yes. So what is the reason that we can give, guys? Can anyone tell me? You have to justify. So what is the reason for yes? Apa sebab dia? Saiz kasut telah ditetapkan. Yes, discrete. Okay, can? Or you can say that the shoe size can be counted. Okay, size kasut tu boleh dikira. Okay, I think you all know lah, shoe size can be counted. Am I right? So that's why you can say because shoe size can be counted. Or you can say it's discrete also can lah, I think. It's a discrete random variable. Boleh ubah lawak yang discrete. Okay, guys, so now we see the last part lah. This one, this is the last. Okay, so they tell you that, let me see. Okay, the probability that he hit the target at most 1. Guys, at most, can anyone tell me symbol? At most, apa symbol dia? What's the symbol for Lebenia? Yes, at most 1. Okay, probability X at most 1 is maksudnya sama dengan equals 11 times, 11 kali not hitting the target. Guys, not hitting the target mean X equal to, kalau tak kena sasaran, X sama dengan, if not hit the target, what should it be? You should get a 0. Yeah, correct. Okay, sifar. Alright, so you can see here, this is binomial only. You just need to apply the formula. Question asks you to show, oh, this is a buktikan question lah. You have to show that thing. Okay, so basically, you just have to start with the formula lah. Okay, so probability X less than or equal to 1 means that probability X sama dengan kosong tambah probability X sama dengan 1 is equal to 11 times probability X sama dengan kosong. Okay, so this is how you can convert it lah. And then how you solve? Basically, you apply the formula only. Guna balik your formula binomial. Okay, very simple only. You can see over here. Just substitute all the value. P dan Q, you don't know the value. Nilai P dan Q kamu tak tahu. So you leave it unknown. No problem. Alright. So guys, so what is the thing here? NC0. Can anyone tell me what is the value? NC0, kamu dapat? What's the value for NC0? You should get a 1, yeah. And then P power 0 is 1. Not yet. P kuasa kosong last part is also 1. Alright. Same for this one. Okay, saya terlebih rajin lah sikit. You can call me that. Am I right? Same question, continuation. I a bit too hardworking lah. Okay, P power 0 is also 1. Okay, NC0 also 1. So direct cancel. Potong saja because all of this is 1. So you will end up with this one. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay. So NC1 guys, kalau kamu tekan calculator, NC1 you will get back the N. Nilai kat atas, the top value. Alright, then the rest you just copy only. But now remember, you need to show this. This is what the question asks. Buktikan is equal to this. Okay, so basically you just need to rearrange only. Susun balik semua. Apply your indices law. Okay, guna hukum index. Everything until you get here. Okay, guys, then now you see. You can inverse it some more. Okay, kamu boleh buat banyak perkara to the formula. Okay, and then finally, you should be able to get like this. Guys, how P tukar kepada 1 tolak Q? Can anyone tell me? How P suddenly I changed to 1 minus Q? The rest all is algebra only, nothing else. No concept. Because probability of success is 1 minus the total, 1 minus the probability of failure. That's why P is equal to 1 minus Q. Kebarangkalian berjaya sama dengan 1, yaitu jumlah kebarangkalian tolak dengan kebarangkalian kegagalan. 1 minus the probability of failure. That's why P, I can direct change to 1 minus Q. Dari situ saya boleh buktikan dah this question. Okay guys, are you clear for this question? Boleh faham? Any problem? This is what you must show lah. You must show this one. You start from here, you show until the bottom. Okay? And then got one last part here, 9B2. Oh, at the bottom, I think. Okay, so basically the 9B2 is to ask you to find P and Q. Cari nilai P and Q saja. So you already show this. Am I right? Kamu dah buktikan yang ni. And the question also tell you that the mean is 6. Nilai mean kamu 6. Okay, so you can write 6 is equal to 10Q. Then you can find the Q value. Kamu boleh cari nilai Q. NP sama dengan 6. Okay, because the mean is 6 based on the question. So that's why 6 is equal to 10Q. So how to get P? 1 minus Q sajalah. So then you will get P is 2/5, 2/5. Okay guys, so any question on this question I discussed? Everyone here, can you understand? Okay, good lah. Okay guys, so how you find the chapter today? Do you understand better after I teach everything, probability distribution? It's quite a lot of facts because it's 1.5 hours only, but I hope you all get the point lah. It's a lot of things I share already. Okay, I talk until I think I also don't know already. Oh my God. Talk. Okay, so hope it really helped lah, because this is the last chapter of Form 5 already. All right. Yeah, you must do practice. Yeah. Although I talk how much I like also, but if you don't do practice, it's worthless. Okay, tak berguna. Walaupun betapa banyak saya cakap also. Because in the end, maths is practice, not about listening only. Okay, maths is all about practice. What you do on the paper is not what you listen. Okay, so that's how to be good in maths lah, practice. Okay, so I give you all a quote at the end. Don't let one bad grade define your abilities. It's a minor setback. How you choose to overcome it is what will make you special. Okay, so I think you all experienced this before. Am I right? Maybe you get bad grades sometimes, but how you overcome it, especially like for your SPM, is what will determine whether you succeed or fail lah. Whether you want to get a good result or don't get a good result. Okay, how you react. Reaction is important to everything that happen. Macam mana kamu respond to a certain situation. All right, guys. So anything else you want to ask? So again, I promote the YouTube channel again. So guys, anyone who have friends still struggling maths, you can refer to my YouTube channel. All right, Form 5 maths and maths chapter completely in my channel already. We have completed the whole Form 5 and Form 5 maths and Form 5 and maths syllabus. All right, so yeah, this is for today lah. And also one more thing, guys, before the rest of y'all leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now 1.15K already. I forget update. Okay. One more thing, guys. Remember, I sent the announcement in the group. Am I right? On the class changing, cause 25th is Thaipusam. So